Hello, and welcome to What is Crypto? I'm Matt, and this is Crypto. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Matt Furie meme coins, but more specifically, I'm going to be talking to you about the state of the market with meme coins in general and why Matt Furie meme coins aren't doing too well at the moment. I'm going to give you my thoughts on this, my rationale, what I'm doing, if I think you should be selling, if I think you should be buying. I'm going to be looking at moves from meme coins into other narratives, where I'm positioning my capital, and I'm going to be giving you a couple of coins that I think are pretty good entries right now. So if that sounds like it could be for you, then smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Cheers, legends. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Now let's get into it. Just quickly though, legends, I'm also going to mention my Discord. If you're not a member, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's totally free. It is awesome. I've got a lot of great alpha in there. Got another great trader, Trading Right. He's in there. We talk everything meme coins, AI, crypto, gaming, Casper. I've also got my profit taking strategies, some exit metrics. I look at charts and give some education. And I've got a bunch of other great alpha. So if you want to get some of these plays a lot earlier than you do on YouTube, then go down into the description, click on the link, join. I think you'll get a truckload of alpha. We've got about 150 people in there now. Great group, and it's growing every day. Cheers, legends. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Now let's get into it. Alrighty, so meme coins in general. This is the larger cap ones. Now, if you can look across the board, it's a bit of a mixed bag. You've got pretty much half of them red, half of them green. So a lot of the ones that are green are the bigger coins, and a lot of the ones that are red are the smaller coins. Now, this is not always the case, and there are a lot of big coins that are down and a lot of small coins that are up. But by and large, the micro cap meme coins, anything, say, really under the $20 million mark has been getting brutalized. Now, this is due to flow of capital in crypto. If you haven't been here very long, just have a look at this chart. So this is the path to altcoin season. It just shows how money flows. In essence, it goes from Bitcoin, then it flows down to Ethereum, the next biggest thing. Then it goes to large caps, then it goes to the mid caps, micro caps, and finally all the way down into the depths of degeneracy. Now, this cycle has been a little bit different, with meme coins absolutely ripping a lot earlier than expected. However, what we're seeing right now is stock standard altcoin season money flow. So that is Bitcoin pumps. As you can see, Bitcoin's absolutely ripped. Then what happens after that is people take some profits and rotate down into the large cap altcoins. So Ethereum rips. So larger cap plays are all going to then rip, and then it will work its way down. And within this, there are going to be certain narratives that run. There'll be periods where, say, RWAs will run, or gaming will run, or memes will run, or there'll be a set narrative and that will run. Right now, that narrative is AI. AI is absolutely crushing it. And if you've been in the Discord, you'd hit a bunch of 2 or 3 X's over the past week. And because we could see this happening a little bit earlier, what we did is we rotated some of our positions out of our memes. Now, not all of them, and we're still holding all the memes that we're super bullish on, but I'm in crypto to make money. And if you're in crypto, you're likely here to make money as well. So by being able to identify where the money is flowing, that will help you be seriously profitable in crypto. So what I'm seeing here is a mixed bag of red and green. Now, by and large, everything in crypto is doing very well lately. So you might ask, why are a lot of meme coins underperforming? Well, that is because money is flowing from these into the next hot narrative. That at the moment is AI. So a lot of money is flowing out of meme coins and into AI, or into larger cap plays. Retail is also coming into the market, and retail is going into larger cap plays and larger cap altcoins. So big altcoins, big cryptocurrencies, and certain narratives, which at the moment is AI, have all been doing super well. So yeah, anyway, that is just a little bit about the money flow, and that's what I think we're witnessing right now. So, do I think we should be selling our meme coins? Absolutely not here. If you're going to be selling your meme coins, it would be not all of them, but a percentage of them before they've absolutely dumped. So I'm going to quickly look through a bunch of the meme coins that we're most bullish on. So bread on Ethereum, OX240, contract address is here, OX240 if you are unfamiliar. So this bread on ETH, hugely bullish on it, really good entry I think at the moment right now. Pepe pulled back. I had a member in the Discord asking if they should be buying up here. I said no, wait for a pullback, you'll likely get a pretty good entry. We have had a pullback. Hoppy, really good entry right now. So if you're not familiar with Hoppy, in essence, Matt Furie is an author that created Pepe. So he's the artist that created Pepe, the most popular frog meme on the internet. Now, Pepe appeared in his book Boys Club. However, Matt Furie had a book that he released before Boys Club, and that was called The Night Riders. So the main character of the Knight Riders is also a frog, like Pepe. However, his name is Hoppy. So the narrative is the frog that predates Pepe in the book that predates the Boys Club. So if you're familiar with that and you're familiar with Matt Furie, I think you can understand the appeal here. Anyway, really liking the entry we're seeing on Hoppy. I do not think it is time to sell these coins. These are down a fair bit from their all-time highs. And as we saw before, capital rotates around cryptocurrency. So capital will rotate from AI to a different narrative next. Now that might be back to memes. However, it might be to gaming. It might be to RWAs. There will be short pumps within the longer term pump that occur during this cycle. So you want to find yourself a great group and be able to identify when those pumps are coming. So yeah, won't show my Discord anymore. We'll just keep going with the video. Hoppy, still think it's a really good play. Draggy, now I'm not in Draggy, however, it's another Matt Furie meme coin that's been getting absolutely brutalized. If you did want to enter, it makes more sense to enter at lower levels around here than it does FOMOing in at all-time highs. We call that top blasting, and top blasting long-term is not a profitable strategy. So Bobby the Bat. Now, they've been absolutely raiding my videos for the last few weeks, so I've done a little bit of looking into Bobby the Bat. Now, community is definitely strong. I'll give you that. If you did want an entry on Bobby the Bat, the entry right now does make sense. If you want to have a look at the chart, you can see these levels really quite nicely. I'd love to see it hold this level. If we can hold and then break back above, I think it's quite a decent looking chart. If we lose these levels, then yeah, we might be visiting down here at the 5728. However, I think there's a decent chance that we can hold this. The market is still in a bullish uptrend, and I think rotation back to meme coins is going to come. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow or next week or even next month, but rotation to Matt Furie meme coins is coming back. So I don't think you should be selling your bags right at the lows here. Another great pick, Wolf. First land wolf on Ethereum. So contract address, if you're not familiar with it, is OX33A. My favorite land wolf. It was released only 5 days after Pepe. It's also the first land wolf on Ethereum. So you're getting another great entry right now. So these coins are back to the times where you want to buy them. Now, people don't like buying here. However, this is the profitable time to buy. If you were looking at based AI when I was accumulating it, I was bidding very heavy between the $2 mark and the $3 mark. So these are the times where, although projects are down, if you have faith, conviction, and you think the narrative is here to stay, then these are the times that you do want to be bidding. So yeah, first wolf on Ethereum, another Matt Furie meme coin that I think has a big future. Dork Lord, this one, I've been getting shilled this one a little bit. Community seems fairly strong. If you did want an entry, the entry at these levels does make sense. Ideally, you do want to see it hold a daily close over the 04063 level. Candle wicks below that are fine, but I'd love to see it hold above this. Community is super strong, and Matt Furie meme coins I don't think are going anywhere. Although the rotation is happening away from them now, I don't think that will always be the case. Baby Hoppy, now we're still up. We got in the entry and called it in the 400s, rode it all the way back up, rode it all the way back down, round tripped. However, the team is still shipping. It makes sense not to be shipping enormously hard at this stage because investment into low cap meme coins just isn't there. But if you have a look at some of the content they're putting out, it's pretty impressive. So I'll just play this video. So if we want to have a look at their video, I did initially play it. However, it does have the Lion King soundtrack in it, and I don't want my YouTube video to get flagged. So I'm going to play it without sound, but in essence, it's got the Lion King. These videos are not cheap to make, so their animation team is doing really well. They are still putting out content, even though the markets are pretty cool on low cap meme coins, especially low cap Matt Furie meme coins. But yeah, I do think these type meme coins are here to stay while their team keeps putting content out. So Baby Hoppy, Dork Lord, Land Wolf, Boppy the Bat, Draggy, Hoppy, Brett, Pepe. There are so many different meme coins in the Matt Furie verse that are down. However, I don't think this is permanently down. I think this is a sharp, aggressive dip. That is for buying. Now, I'm not saying buy them right now, as personally my money is rotating into AI, as that's where the attention is. And crypto is an attention game. But these are levels that are definitely more attractive to buy. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today. Just one more plug of the Discord. If you're not a member, make sure you pop into the comment section, join. Huge amount of alpha there. I think it's a really great place to be. Yeah, I talk about a lot of different things and got some great traders, and you'll get all the information that you're getting on the YouTube, but you'll get it just that little bit earlier. So yeah, anyway, do yourself a favor, sign up. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next one.